Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I also have a giveaway going on in honor of our 100th video that we posted, as well as a third separate giveaway that is going on in honor of our 200th subscriber. In the description box down below, I will put links for those 3 different videos that tell you how to enter those 3 different giveaways. So I recently brought you the Facetory Lux Plus box. It was a new subscription that I got, and then I also, while I was there on their website, picked up their 7 sheet masks that you get once a month. You get 7 of them. You pay for a year at a time. You get $16. Also, right now they're having a special. If you do that, if you get the 1 year, you get a little mini fridge for your I love storing my face creams in there, as well as different masks. It's just really soothing, and it helps your products last a lot longer. So I'll put a picture of that in here. So let's dive in and see what they gave us. I did start getting the Facetory ones because if you are new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks. I call it a little pamper me time, and review them and test them out for you guys. It does have a card that talks about the different products. And this one says July 7 Lux. And you had me at Aloha. I'd like to be in Hawaii right now. Take a break and give your skin treat with our 7 Lux. This month is all about hydrating and moisturizing and calming the skin during the hot summer months. Trust us, your skin will be feeling like it's on vacation. Basically, your steps for all of these masks are: step 1, cleanse and tone. Step 2, apply the masks and leave on 10 to 25 minutes. And step 3, remove mask and pat in any remaining essence. A couple of tips that they have are: 1, do not leave masks on for over 30 minutes. 2, use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders. I love, once I'm done doing a mask, the sheet mask, just kind of putting it on my neck and décolletage and letting it kind of soak in there when I'm done. Make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence from the mask. And there's also it lists the website where if you're new to skincare or not kind of familiar what steps in order to do things, it has that there as well on the Facetory website. There is this cute little postcard that said, "You had me at Aloha." There's also a booklet that we got in the Lux Plus that talks about all the different products that were in the Lux Plus box. Says keep glowing, and then all the products are neatly wrapped in tissue paper. From Demeure is a mineral mask. It's a super soft sheet mask that is infused with skin calming ingredients that will aid in hydration and moisture. Retails for $3. Why they love it is we thought it would be the perfect mask to restore our skin after hot days, infused with beta-glucan, Fermented, and copper. Triptide-1 anti-irritating and anti-inflammatory ingredients that have soothing and anti-aging properties to help boost hydration and diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Our skin was left glowing, soft, and subtle. When to use when you want your skin to be ready for the next sunny day out. Love it. Here is the Yadah Daily Green mask Cactus. It does retail for $3, and it's a vegan certified sheet mask paired with eco-friendly bamboo sheet. Yes, please. Leave it to the mask to give your skin quick hydration for a luminous and smooth appearance. We love the sheet mask because it has 19 hyperallergenic ingredients that will help soothe our skin without causing irritation. It's infused with a Poncha Ficus indica, don't know if I said any of that right, stem extract, basically cactus, and Lyajin japonica, don't know, to help provide the skin with hydration and protect it from damage and signs of aging. So what are you waiting for? Go on and revive your skin. When to use when you're ready for your skin to look renewed and refreshed. By Ariul is their 7-day plus mask, coconut balancing mask. It says don't leave your skin hanging. This 2-step mask will help hydrate and balance your skin for a healthy glow. Smooth and velvety skin is your next future. Just relax and apply. Love that it has the 2 separate steps in here. It does retail for $3.50, and why we love it. We love 2-step masks. We like that there was an exfoliating pad to help refine our pores and a super moisturizing sheet mask to apply afterwards. This one is packed with key ingredients like coconut extract that will help deliver moisture for a healthy glow, while ceramide helps to restore balance to your skin. When you apply the sheet mask, your skin will be receiving a load of velvety moisture. When to use: after a day of enjoying the sun, apply the sheet mask to help your skin relax and absorb some skin reviving moisture. Directions: take mask starter step 1 and apply to cleanse face. Use the textured gauze side. Start from the middle of your face and work outwards. Then switch to the soft embossed side and gently swipe it across your face to smooth out your skin. Step 3, carefully take out the mask and remove the protective film. Apply the mask on your face and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove and pat in remaining essence. From Elmolu is their white Silk Up Bubbling Essence Mask. I've done bubbling masks before, but they're more like a cleansing, not really an essence one. This retails for $5.50. A brightening and hydrating bubble sheet mask where you don't have to wash off the bubbles. Why we love it? We thought the sheet mask was super fun and relaxing. It removes impurities from our pores and helps brighten our complexion. This sheet mask promotes cell turnover with O2 bubble start foaming, and it's packed with niacinamide to help the skin retain water. Our skin was left feeling balanced and smooth. When to use: before you have a fun picnic outing under the sunshine. Don't be alarmed by the word whitening, as it simply translates to brightening and does not include any skin bleach ingredients. That's kind of good to know. By 17V Demeure is a Pibuwang mask, and it's a rest mask. It's a vegan certified sheet mask that contains 17 non-irritating ingredients to help soothe, calm, and moisturize your skin while strengthening the skin barrier. It does retail for $3.50, and why they love it is a sheet mask felt refreshing on our skin, especially after a long day in the office. It is infused with allantoin to help moisturize the skin, and Calendula officinalis extract is a gentle ingredient that provides healing and protective properties. Our skin was brighter and well moisturized after applying the mask. When to use: when you're having one of those days that happen and you just want to relax and pamper yourself. Who doesn't? Burn a candle, sit on the couch, and apply the mask. It's a relaxing summer night. By Miss Yong is a Curious Silk Mask. The sheet mask contains 80% silk for a soft feel and is infused with 7 different yellow ingredients to deliver nutrients and hydration. Retails for $4. Why they love it? We love that the sheet mask incorporates propolis extract to help with moisture and provide a protective barrier for your skin, as well as turmeric extract to help reduce redness while brightening and smoothing out the skin. Combined, these ingredients give your skin a beautiful, healthy glow from within. Look, I love using turmeric products. When to use after a cool summer night, looking up at the stars, apply the sheet mask to feel even more relaxed and tranquil. Finally, by Lyajin is the Rio Mask Nourishing Care. It's a ginseng infused sheet mask that will help nourish your skin and leave it feeling super smooth. This does retail for $3. And why they love it, the sheet mask gave our skin a lovely glow with Panax ginseng root extract and Unsea Barbata Lyajin extract. This mask will create soft and moisturized skin by strengthening the skin barrier. The 6-year-old Panax ginseng extract, fully matured ginseng, helps regulate inflammation and has antioxidants and anti-aging properties. Can't go wrong with that. When you want to feel and look like royalty, this mask does retail for $3. I love all these different masks. I'm so excited for a little pamper me time. Do you guys have a favorite mask that you use? Do you guys get Facetory? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys do for a little pamper me you time. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.